Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Asana workflows for logo review cycles, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Asana workflows for logo review cycles, log into your Asana account. Create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Choose a blank project or select a template that suits your needs. Give your project a descriptive name, such as Logo Review Cycle. Select the project view you prefer, either list or board. Add sections to your project to clearly define each stage of the review process. For example, create sections like Design Submission, First Round Review, Feedback Implementation, and Final Approval. Now, add tasks under each section representing key actions in the workflow. For the Design Submission section, create a task titled Submit Initial Logo Designs. Assign this task to the designer responsible for submission. Next, move to the First Round Review section. Create a task for the reviewers, such as Review Initial Logo Designs. Assign this task to the team members who will provide feedback. Set a due date for the review process to ensure timely feedback. In the Feedback Implementation section, create tasks that specify the changes needed based on the review. For each piece of feedback, create a separate task for clarity. Assign these tasks back to the designer for implementation. As the designer completes changes, they can move the corresponding tasks to the Final Approval section. Create a task titled Final Approval of Logo Designs in this section. Assign this task to the project manager or lead reviewer. Once the final review is complete, mark tasks as complete to keep track of progress. Utilize Asana's comment and attachment features to provide detailed feedback directly on tasks. Consider setting up project notifications to keep everyone updated on changes. Finally, review the entire workflow regularly to streamline processes and enhance efficiency. As your team becomes familiar with this workflow, you can adjust sections and tasks as needed for future projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.